I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to act now. Back up any irreplaceable files to an external drive or cloud, then confirm the backup. Once done, close all running apps and temporarily disable non-essential startup programs so cleanup runs smoothly. Make a system restore point and ensure you know the admin password. This protects you if something goes wrong. With prerequisites completed, open Disk Cleanup or your favorite cleanup utility, and start a quick scan to find obvious temporary files and caches to remove immediately. Now focus on deeper removal. Uninstall apps you no longer use and manually delete leftover program folders. You'll also clear browser caches, cookies, and history, and remove unnecessary extensions. This reclaims space and improves privacy. Next, run a full disk cleanup and use a large file finder to identify multi-GB files you can archive or delete. Make sure to deduplicate redundant files and empty the recycle bin. These steps free the most space and reduce background work that slows your laptop. Finish by optimizing and verifying. If you have an HDD, defragment. For SSDs, ensure trim is active. Update device drivers and the operating system to close performance gaps. Re-enable only essential startup items and run a full antivirus and anti-malware scan to catch anything missed. Finally, reboot and run a performance check. If something breaks or performance worsens, use your restore point or boot into safe mode to roll back changes. That's the simplest troubleshooting tip to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.